open any browser, either Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox or Microsoft Edge, whatsoever is installed in your system. Here I am using Google Chrome to install the Python in my system. For that, open the browser. In the address bar of your browser just type Python free download word and then press enter. It will open the default site of the Python link. Just click on this link. It will take you to the Python original site. There it will show you the one more button, download Python 3.9.2. It will show you the latest down Python version. Just click on this button. Hardly it will take few seconds to download in your system. After that, click on this uh, download symbol, or you can click on this arrow button to open the downloaded software. After this, it will open you the another option because it is already installed in your my system. That is why it is showing this option to me. Either if you can do the modification, then you can do the modification also. If it is already installed in your system, if you want to repair the system, then you can repair it. Otherwise you can uninstall the system also. It will show you all the options related to whatsoever it is installed in your system, it has been properly installed or not, and then you can click on the next option also. Before, one thing is, because it is already installed my system, I am just telling the students each and every time Python free download image, because when you are installing the Python, it will take you to the path, and first it will show you the screen how you can install the things. Now it is not showing that thing, Python free image. Just add path option, sorry, Python add path. When you will install in your system, it will take you to the first page of your system, which is this one. You just have to click on the this add path option, add Python this to path. When if you will go for the connectivity option, if you want to connect your Python with another option, then you have to click on this option also, so that you can do the connectivity without facing any problem. After that, you have to click on the install now option, then automatically hardly it will take 1 minute to install in your system. So each and every time whenever you will download the Python, it will take you to the one screen, and before clicking on the install now option, click on this path and checkbox, and then you can click on the install now option to install the system software in your system. That's all for today's video.